All right, good evening, everybody. This is John, and this is the free video. First off, my audio is probably going to be a little off. I'm on a laptop with an open mic. My headset was not working, so just FYI if it sounds a little rough around the edges. So the Qs today ended up down a fraction. As we all know, we've had this amazing rally, and the question is where do we go from here? And so the two things to keep in mind: why are we rallying? First of all, we're rallying because we've peaked at quantitative tightening, okay? What I mean by that is the combination of, we had three things all going up at once that caused record fiscal tightening, like we've never seen this in the history of our planet. And it was commodity prices going up, interest rates going up, and the dollar going up. And the three together it was just mass destruction. And that culminated right here with this flush. I mean, this was panic selling. So now we're kind of back up to that level. And, one of the biggest things people ask me is like, well, geez, how come they just raised interest rates, but why are mortgage rates still going down? Okay, well, mortgage rates are based loosely on TLT. It's more technically the 10-year notes. Now, if TLT is going down, that means interest rates are going up and vice versa. But you can see that essentially TLT bottomed here on June 16th, right? That was 6 weeks ago. That's also in mortgage rates. We're at 6.5%. Since then, we've had a really good rally. Interest rates have gone like from 3.5% to I think 2.75% on the 10-year note. And while we did have a reversal today, the whole reason for this is that the aggressiveness of quantitative tightening has ended. And in fact, the next potential rate increase is until September. And it's possible that the recession gets we get ugly numbers at that point where they pause. And the Fed funds are already pricing in a rate decrease by the Fed in March. All right. So basically, the reason the bond market here is rallying is they're saying, like, you know what, the Fed's wrecking the economy, and that's really going to take front and row center by the time we hit March of 2023, et cetera, et cetera. So anyway, so that's where we are there. In terms of the stock market, are we just going to rally forever from here? And the question is, of course not. Well, the answer is, of course not. But, really, where do we go from here? Well, first of all, the whole thing with Taiwan. Okay, look, that is a non-issue. Everybody's making like it's going to be World War III. It's not. This is normal political saber rattling. The market doesn't care. If the market did care, the S&Ps would be, at 370 right now. So we've had a heck of a rally. We're at resistance, and we're going to consolidate here for a little while. Now, one thing is that we do, almost like clockwork, on the 7th and 8th of every month, and today I'm doing this, it's August 2nd, we tend to top, and then, like here was the 7th and 8th here, and then on the 19th and 20th, we tend to bottom, okay? It doesn't mean it's perfect, but we've done that like 11 out of the last 12 months. So I would expect some light strength, some back and forth. Certainly we could test the 21 EMA into about August 8th, give or take. But then, and maybe it's going to be sooner than that. Again, it's a game of grenades, not horseshoes. But then some selling, some back and forth, and then again on around August 19th or 20th, looking for a rally into September. So I do think we're going to see a general uptrend until basically the end of September. Then when October comes, now remember, the whole battle of quantitative tightening is over, but now the market, so that's why the market's rallying, but then the market's going to be like, oh, wow, we're glad that's done. Wait, but did they wreck the economy? And so then the market's going to start to react to the potential for a deep recession. And that's what we're going to be trading mostly in Q4 and Q1 of next year. So it should be fun. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.